In this video, we will learn how to find all mathematical symbols in Microsoft Word document. Like you can see that I am having all of the symbol. This is integration sign, infinity, square root, pi, delta. These symbols sometimes becomes difficult to find in Microsoft Word document. Then you are typing an equation, but now you can easily find it. So let's start. Okay, I'm going to close this because I have to display from the beginning. So you are here and you are going to write an equation, and you need a specific symbol for which you are looking for. Then you will again, okay, some of the basic are given here, but when you have to write some advanced mathematical equation, you have to go there. You will again go to insert tab here, and then you will go to symbol, and you will come here for more symbols. In more symbols, you have to change this font size to Algerian. In Algerian, and you are here, this should be basic Latin. In basic Latin, you will be able to find all of the advanced mathematical operator, like this is integration sign, this is infinity, this is summation, pi, delta, partial, whole. And if you go here uh, for the okay. You are able to find all of the uh, uh, symbols that you need to write for an advanced equation. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, you can ask in the comment box. I will ask.